welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Lauv here with us, and we had a couple songs from him recently. And this one is a great song as well, so I don't have a problem. That's the name of the song, the title. So let's not sleep on this one, a great song. So starting here without any need for any capo. So we have two chords basically that goes back and forth. We will look at one melody, and we will also look at one easy strumming pattern. So let's start first with the chords. We have the C sharp minor 7, and we'll alternate that with the F sharp minor 7. All right, so let's look at the C sharp first. You need to have a bar here on the 4th fret from the A string and down. So that means from the 5 strings from below to up. And then the rest will be 6 on D string and 5th on B. So there you have the C sharp minor 7. And then you're gonna switch that to the F sharp. And here you need a bar on the 2nd fret, all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A. All right, so this is a shift you must get comfortable with. Okay, so let's look at the medley first. One round goes like this. So with the C sharp, you hold the chord as it is. That's the easiest way, in my opinion. So when you have that, you're gonna play 4th on A together with 4th on E, then 3rd on B, sorry, 5th on B, of course, and 4th on G. And then you play 4th on E, 5th on B, 4th on G, and then 4th on E and 5th on B. Okay, so it's a pattern there. You go. That is one round. Okay, you're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that is the C sharp part when it comes to the medley. So and then you have pretty much the same pattern, but with a different grip. And it goes like this for the F sharp minor. I hold the chord as it is. You don't really have to. Everything you need will actually just be a bar here on the 2nd fret. You can just go like this if you wish. And when you have that, you will play the 2nd fret E string, this one, together with 2nd fret B string, and then you go 2nd G, 2nd D, then 2nd B, 2nd G, 2nd D, and then 2nd B, 2nd G. And that is one round. So the same pattern, different grip, and strings as well, but anyway, I think you see the pattern there. So one round will be, you're gonna play that for 2 rounds as well. So C sharp, 2, F sharp, sorry, yeah, 2 rounds there. All right, I slipped a little bit there with my strings. I think you got the idea there. This is the melody, and you're gonna play that for a while down into perhaps half into the first chorus, okay? And it comes about 1.5 minutes into the song. And in the lyrics, where the chorus comes, but here I am again. At that point, at that C sharp minor you play there, starts the strumming. From now on, you can go and choose between the melody and continue with that, or play the strumming. It goes back and forth in the song, so there's no idea for me to explain exactly where and when to play the melody or the strumming. I just give you the tools for this one, and it's up to you. But anyway, how do you play the strumming? Of course, you hold the chords as they are, and one strumming round will be for 8 downs in total, but you want to emphasize certain downs. So one strumming round will sound like this. Okay, so notice I'm playing on the top string sometimes and on the bass string sometimes. So like I said, 8 downs in total, and I emphasize the first down, the 4th down, and the 7th down. So 1, 4, and 7. There I'm playing on the top strings, okay? And all the other downs I'm chewing on the mid or bass strings. So like this, to be clear, a little bit slower. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I think you see the pattern, how it connects to the medley. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so it's connected like that. So of course, then you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So So like I said, from now on, it's up to you, strumming or melody, and that will make it for I Don't Have a Problem by Lauv. Sorry, Lauv. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Hope this helped. If it did, thumb up, leave a comment. It's always nice, and play tuned.